Hello, and welcome back to the channel. We're continuing the bit of microphone frenzy on the channel for now. We're looking at Sennheiser, because I just can't resist a good deal. And I'll tell you why this was a good deal in a moment. This is not just a directional mic, it's a shotgun mic. And we start with, as usual, a carrying pouch. So in the box you get the pouch, you get the microphone, which is quite long. You also get a cable, the shock mount that looks and feels like an actual shock mount, and then the foam muff. Now I got all of this for $300 US. Now that's a pretty good deal, but that's not the best thing. The thing is that with that deal, I actually got this for free, the MKE 200. The thing I love about Sennheiser is that the boxes just feel premium, and it's an experience. So let's see what we got here. Immediately we're met by some instructions, and that's a nice touch. You get the manual, a wind muff, the microphone, a carrying pouch, and 2 sets of cables depending on if you want to go with a DSLR or a mobile. Although I'm not sure what kind of a mobile phone actually has a 3.5mm input, but never mind. Also, it has one of these screwy thingies, so it won't fall out. And that's nice too. I love the fact that this thing is just massively long, so you can regulate the length of this. That's kind of nice. I'm just gonna keep it long, just because. Maybe I can use this with the Osmo Action. Nope, won't fit on the cage. No, the shoe mount won't accept it. Nope, not even with Violence can use it with the Pidgin Tech cage. Maybe you can use it with the ZV-1. Now that works. Look at that. I mean, this works, doesn't it? This works. Maybe not. But anyway, let's not get bogged down into those kinds of details. Let's run a test. I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead? I had a cat named Snowball. She died, she died. Mom said she was sleeping. She lied, she lied. Why oh why is my cat dead? Couldn't that Chrysler have hit me instead?